Cut it. Hey. Are you ready for tour? I said, are you ready for your Toa Samoa? All right, right about now, ladies and gentlemen, I need that energy from everybody. So now, DJ Superb, play something for the people. Let's go! Flags up, everybody! Flags up in the air! We're about to welcome our team up to the stage. Getting in their cars right now. They're about to make their way down. They're gonna drive through from that way, guys. So I need a whole lot of noise from everybody. As soon as you see a car come through, some noise. Here we go. Ahora yo soy. But I see a couple of Tongan flags up in here. Make some noise for Matama Tonga one time, ladies and gentlemen. Put that Tongan flags up. Where's the other Tongan flag that I saw here? Put the Tongan flag up. All right. Jeff, play something for my Tongans.
Let's take our time tonight. Girl, above us all the stars are watching. There's no place I'd rather be in this world.
Well, put those Tongan flags up.
Eyes are where I'm lost.
Neville, where's Neville? Matama Tonga for alive, homie.
We're dancing all alone.
Feel the wheels fall off, just pull out of the car.
Reason to have.
Ready?
What we're feeling is
here we go.
right now.
sing it right now.
Sing it. 1, 2, 4.
Baby, let's just turn down the light
And close the door.
close the door. Ooh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. Versace on the floor. Ooh, shake it off for me.
Hey, shake it, mamacita.
Me now, girl. Versace on the floor.
Hey, sing it out for me.
For me now, girl.
All right. Hey, hey. You know what? We all brothers and sisters are. I was really hoping that Tonga will come through so we can, because we have the energy. Samoa's got the Tower power, and the Tongan's got the hope. The Tongan provides that horsepower that we're gonna miss on Sunday. But I know our people will bring both horsepower and the Tower power. But right about now, crossing back to our DJ, Malo Abito Tonga. Thank you for coming through. We love you. Yo, DJ, let's go. Let's go! Rock! Rock! Say what? Rock! Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen, for our coaching staff. And of course, the management for Toa Samoa making their way in right now. Make some noise!
Rock this party, dance everybody, make it hot.
Cindy! Put your flags up!
Let's go.
Let's go! The boys are now coming through. Clear the way, everybody.
Cause this is Africa.
Hey! Hey!
Let's go. Hey, hey, hey.
This time for Africa.
Cindy, make some noise! Can you hear me? Make some noise! Leading the way is your boy Blaze Salangi.
Listen to you.
Sewala coming through the Rolls Royce.
People are raising their expectations.
Clear the way, guys, clear the way. With your Isaac Tango and Valu.
Take the way, believe it.
The second car, we have Justivanga, Roger,
Africa.
and Harris. And your third car, we have Francis Molo, Jaden Sua, and of course, the Tagia.
It's time for
Hey,
I like the way you whine from you.
let's go. He's your boy Mariner.
Nice girl, shoot black. Girl, wine for daddy. Come wine for daddy. Keep all out. I like the way you whine from you. Girl, wine for daddy. Girl, wine for daddy. Girl, wine for daddy.
Marie.
Talking to you,
Hey, God, what's this?
Only day I know be back account. Swear to God I go spray you pounds. Forget your man.
And of course, this guy right here, you have Brighto, Jerome Luai, and Junior Paula. And our white G-Wagon right here, we have the coach. The coach.
Girl, wine for daddy. Girl, wine for daddy.
Jerome May, CP, and of course, Arthur Meredith. Here we go. Here we go. Mr. Brown. Here we go. Here we go. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. That's a Tataluma, Tataluma. He's a Tataluma, Tataluma. Mua, mua. That's a mua, mua. All right, Samoa.
Oi the door! Oi the door!
Welcome once again, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I need everybody to regather the energy. We're about to introduce your players right up here on the stage. So I need everybody to make a whole lot of noises up in here. We know, look, Brisbane, they turn up. Brisbane turn up, guys. But, who said that? And I was so confident that I know 100% Sydney can do better than that. Yeah. We have people from Brisbane here, and I know Brisbane, Sydney, you can do better than this. So if you agree with me, you give me a yeah. Give me a yeah, yeah. Give me a yeah, yeah, yeah. Cocky by the tiger. Cocky by the buffalo. Yeah. DJ, let's go.
¡Bomba!
Sensual,
Un movimiento sensual.
sensual,
Un movimiento muy sexy.
sexy.
Un movimiento muy sexy.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, hey, hey.
Para bailar esto,
Flags up, flags up, flags up.
para usar esto es una. Para menear esto es una. Y las mujeres lo bailan así. Así, así, así. Todo el mundo una mano en la cabeza. Una mano en la cabeza. Un movimiento sexy. Un movimiento sexy. Una mano en la cintura. Una mano en la cintura. Un movimiento sexy. Un movimiento sexy. Y ahora empieza a menear. Suavecito para abajo. Para abajo. Para abajo. Suavecito para arriba. Para arriba. Para arriba. Suavecito para abajo. Para abajo. Para abajo. Suavecito para arriba. Para arriba. Para arriba. ¡Bomba!
Sensual,
Un movimiento sensual.
sensual,
Un movimiento muy sexy.
sexy,
Un movimiento muy sexy.
sexy. Y aquí se viene azul azul con este baile que es una bomba.
Para bailar esto es una. Para usar esto es una. Todas las mujeres lo bailan. Todos los hombres lo bailan. Todas las radios lo ponen. Las discotecas lo ponen. Toda la gente lo baila.
Let's go! Sydney, are you ready to meet your team? No, 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 no. Sydney, I need energy. Sydney, are you ready to meet your team? All right. Due to unforeseen circumstances, some family matters, as we all know, family is more important than anything else to us. Hence why Payne Haas is not here with us today, but he's ready. He's ready for Sunday. He's just going through some family stuff at the moment back home in Brisbane, but he'll be here later on tonight. If he comes on time, he'll be on the stage. So please, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for my boy Payne Haas. All right, ladies and gentlemen, introducing you first. These guys, pinnacle of the team, they are unable to play these tournaments due to injuries, representing Vailor Paloli and Papa Satawa. And of course, Safuni, Siumu, and Nofali. Please make some noise for Stephen Crichton and Spencer Lanu. Thank you, DJ. Ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise one more time for your boys, your sons. All right, guys. How does it feel to be here? And of course, how does it feel to be sitting on the sideline, cheering on those who's fighting the battles this tournament?
Very special to be a part of it. We've seen New Zealand do it, and then we've seen Brisbane do it, but I feel like this is the best turnout in all 3 games. So shout out to all of our family coming out to support the boys as well. So I'm sure the boys will get the win on the weekend.
All right, make some noise, make some noise, make some noise. How's the how's the recovery coming along, and how does it feel to be once again supporting from the sideline this time?
Yeah, recovery's going good. I'm just grateful to come and camp with the boys. I love being a part of these camps because I get to represent you guys, represent my family, my country, and to even do it here in the area where I grew up, it's no better feeling.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise one time for Critter and Spenny. Now, introducing first, ladies and gentlemen, representing Mulifanua, please make some noise for Rickard Tongia. Thank you, thank you. Come up here, guys, come up here. Introducing next, ladies and gentlemen, from the village of Lotofanga, please give it up for Clayton Paula. All right, moving along. Representing ladies and gentlemen, introducing next, please. Representing Manonouta and Salolonga, give it up for Astivalu Lisati. All right. Introducing next, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Ata Mariota from Satawa, Savitoala, Palafua, Palealili, and Siumu. All right. Introducing next, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Josh Papali from Lauli and Sapapali. Yo. All right. Representing Lauli and Falelakai, please give it up for Jerome May. Hey, from the villages of Ngangaifo, the Bao, Salisatele, Baovai, and Tuanai, give it up for Benaya Yoelu. And Sababali, give it up for Chanel Harris Tavita. Representing Lauli, Satui, Salelavalu, and Malie, give it up for Simi Sasangi. From Salila Balu and Luffy, ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Jaden Sua. Representing Leauva and Leuluma Fanga. Give it up for Jazz Tevanga. All right, moving along, introducing next, representing Toa Samoa, Samoa Fan. Give it up for Francis Malo. From Lalamanu, Alebata, give it up for Blaze Salangi Sewala. All right. From Samoa and Fale Apuna, give it up for Mary Taulangi.
Ele tau mate peni pese mai fea a ia malama olei
from Falelima Savai, Lefanga and Salalonga, give it up for Day Mariner.
Olei alava olei ngatai fale.
Going back to Tumua, representing Luffy and Alfanga, yes, Isaac Tango.
Ano foi le moana, olei a fai anga taua saile tai papa ole sua masanga. Olei.
All right.
Olei alava olei.
Introducing next. From Falelate, Silfanga, Leauva, and Solo Uta, Mailoa, Solopa, it's your boy, Brian Toho.
Solo Uta, Mailoa, Solopa, Manamo, Awe Ratayana, Awe Si Umo.
All right. Put it down. From Baimaso and Ayofiti, it's your boy, Roger Tuivasa Shit. All right. Introducing next, ladies and gentlemen, is your second co-captain from Matafa and Lealva and Balauri Savai. It's your boy, Jerome Luai. All right. Last but not least, from Satoima Luffy and Safoto, it's your skipper, Lea Fionga, your presented, Malelangi Junior Paulo. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for your Toa, your coach, Mr. Ben Gunner, and everyone from the management, Hayden Laban, and all the staff. Ladies and gentlemen, come on through. All right. All right, hang on. I'm going to give the mic to the captain to say a few words, and then we move along to a few more players. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, please make some noise for Pesata Junior Paulo.
Sydney fans, what's up? Hey, we just wanted to, on behalf of Toa Samoa, say thank you. This is what it's all about. To be able to put on for our people, and when we mean our people, this is exactly what we're talking about. So we can't wait to see you all there on Sunday, but most of all, I'm sure we just want to be here parading and celebrating, but make sure we all go home safely to our family and friends and safely back home. So can't wait to see you all there on Sunday, and let's definitely shut it down at Combank Stadium. Appreciate you all.
Thank you, Kev. All right, from Romy. All right, now you see once again the turnout from your people, the support. Does that do anything? Does that boost the energy? And of course, some sort of what is it called? Lift. Does it uplift the team?
685, baby! We definitely feel all the passion, all the support. We are. But yeah, we just want to say thank you to you guys. We'll get the job done this weekend. Appreciate you. Love.
All right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for your Toa Samoa one time. All right, Mr. Ben Gardner, come through. All right, we're going to hear a few words from the coach. How's the preparation going so far in camp for this week?
Yeah, going great. We've had 2 training sessions, trained yesterday and trained today. Absolutely awesome. Just stoked to have all of you people out here supporting us. It's so exciting to be able to come out and represent in Sydney and go and play at Western Sydney at Combank Stadium on Sunday, and looking forward to all of you people being there to support us as well.
Thank you, sir. One question, and I know this is the question that everybody wants to ask you. Shh. Oh, yeah. The boys ready for Sunday?
The boys are pumped for Sunday and ready to rock. Let's go.
Well, Sydney, make some noise one time. Now the boys is going to come down and sign some autographs and take some photos. They'll be here for 10 hours before they go back to the hotel. But now the boys will come down and we're going to tag along with our program, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you one more time for your Toa Samoa. Thank you. Now Nigel's going to play something on the keys. Thank you, guys. You can go down there and enjoy the atmosphere, enjoy the people. Right? I believe Dane Mariner will be singing a song later. Basat. All right. Here we go. Now we're gonna get our band to come through.
Picking coconuts from the coconut tree. Na 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 na. Biggest coconuts that you ever seen. Na 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 na. Picking coconuts from the coconut tree. Na 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 na. Biggest coconuts that you ever seen. Feeling free and happy. Come follow me. Na 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 na. Picking coconuts from the coconut tree. Na 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 na. Come follow me. Na 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 na. Biggest coconuts that you ever seen. Feeling free and happy. Oh, all the sunshine boy, let's have a party. Oh, all the sunshine girl, let's have a good time. Oh, everybody, we're gonna party tonight. Come follow me. Na 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 na. Picking coconuts from the coconut tree. Na 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 na. Come follow me. Na 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 na. Biggest coconuts that you ever seen. Feeling free and happy. Oh, all the sunshine boy, let's have a party. Oh, all the sunshine girl, let's have a good time. Oh, everybody, we're gonna party tonight. Come by,
guys. They will come through. They're just going through that and then they'll come through to the front. Here we go. Hey! One time. Some securities here, please, security personnel, just to clear everybody out with no wristband. Everybody out, please. No wristband, no here.
Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air.
Security, come now.
In the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands up in the air. Put your hands
Thank you, guys. Securities. No wristband, no here. Everybody out.
As a viral in the marketplace, Molly is a singer in the band. There's no sister Molly, girl, I like your face. And Molly sees this as she's taking it by hand. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Oh,
Yeah, thank you.
blada, life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Put your hands up in the air. 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 This one takes a trolley to a jewelry store. Buys a 20-karat golden ring. Takes it back to Molly, waiting at the door. And as he gives it to her, she begins to sing. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, ooh, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. In a couple of years, they have built their home, sweet home. With a couple of kids running in the yard of Desmond and Molly Jones. Happy ever after in the marketplace. Desmond lives to Judah and Linda. Molly stays at home and does her pretty face. And in the evening she's still swinging with the band. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, yeah. La, 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 life goes on. Oh, bloody, oh, blada, life goes on, ooh, yeah. La, 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 life goes on.
There's a boy in my mind for the most. I'm thinking of him. On my way to the day and the night, the stars shine above me. He's been gone for some time, but I know I truly love him. And I'm singing a song, hoping he'll be back when he hears.
Here we go. Go.
My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la,
La, la, la.
sha-la-la in the morning. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la-la.
All right, now this is not funny, eh? This is some serious stuff now. Someone left their kids in the car with the windows down next to Big Aloha and come over here. What is that? Go back and get your kids before I call the police. And this is not nice. And please, for these guys out here, we need to clear everybody out with no wristbands, No here, please. Securities, no wristbands, no here. All right, our whole team will be lining up at the barriers here, guys. The whole team will be coming up here shortly, so please just bear with us. The whole team. The whole team is coming. They're going to start from there. Don't move. They will come to you, all right? They also vale all of this is. We got a lot of time, so please be safe. Your safety is more important. From the mole lava, yeah, tau nalo tau saunga mu. Mai se nai te mama tina ma tutua ma alom fa na ula iti from the mole tau ngale saunga mu from the mole. Va ai te mai tile ngalo kongol ka vale from the mole. Se awar fa pe ngaka ko. Yeah, DJ. Let's go.
Ele vai para olha malo, mas a música faz neon no pó. Como que eu tô bem o pó? Se lá fala mal, ele vai para olha malo, mas a música faz neon no pó. Como que eu tô bem o pó?
One time. Hey! DJ Superb.
Check 1 2 yo 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 1 2 1 2
Soy fuaina la upele. Just want to send a massive shout out to our ex-securities. Thank you, boys. Thank you, my Usos. Ex-services. Let's see them make some noise one time! Right about now, we're going to continue with our performances. Right now, introducing our next one, ladies and gentlemen. Please give it up for Till the Wheels Fall Off.
Sydney, how we doing? Make some noise! If you're a proud Sikh safe father, can I get one time a cheer? Sorry. One more time. Alright, we're gonna play some old school classics. There's also some new song. And I want you guys to help us out. You know this song, I want you guys to sing. Why you come and shoot down on a good vibe ready to blow? You keep on coming and I'm coming, baby, please stop rocking my boat. Cause I'm ready to ride. Honey, don't say it if you're lying, cause I can really water down your road. But baby, why you shoot down on a good vibe ready to flow? grow, let it grow, let it grow. There ain't no need to start your crying.
Baby, please stop rocking my boat. 'Cause I'm ready to rock. I need to see you now. 'Cause I'm need the water down your road. So baby, why you shoot down on the good ride, ready to flow?
'Cause I'm ready to flow. Ready to flow. 'Cause I'm ready to flow. Ready to flow. Lady, please take it easy. All I want is a good vibration. Please say it if you need me to relieve you from the negative situation. I won't stop to get nothing just to show you the line. Please, I'm begging not to bring me down tonight. Girl, if you can only meet me halfway, you realize all the words you need to say. Baby,
shoot down on the good ride, ready to flow. Keep it coming and the coming, baby, please stop rocking my boat. 'Cause I'm ready to rock. I need to see if you like. 'Cause I need the water down your road. So baby, why you shoot down on the good ride, ready to flow? 'Cause I'm ready to flow.
ready to flow. 'Cause I'm ready to flow. I'm ready to flow. 'Cause I'm ready to flow. Ready to flow. If you got a little bit of color, you can sing one time, make some noise. I'm gonna give it to my man. You ready to go? Yahar!
It's another fiery afternoon, hotter than the multitude. So we should go beach now and cool down when the water's bright. Grab the boys and run to the new show. School is down, let's go now and hell out the door. Yeah, the wave is on fire, the breeze getting hot. This is my desire to want to start. Yeah, cool down. The wave is on fire, the breeze getting hot. This is my desire to the one thing this day. Cool down.
Get nice and blue in the sky. And the waves I find every get it, I get it. It's even as we speak. Yeah, don't you know the sun. It hasn't been there before. Let's run, serving like some more. Yeah, the wind is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire to want to eat this body. Yeah, cool down. The wind is on fire, the day is getting hot. This is my desire to want to eat this body. Yeah, cool down. Alright, switch it up real quick. Well, the years have gone and the years have gone. Till this summer keeps a turning on. Journey on. Yeah, from innocence till experience. From dependence till independence. Journey on. Well, now I have loved and I have been done. That means that I have been just a journey on. So when it comes and stone things and things, on Sunday phone pen, don't listen. Journey on. If you got the chorus, I want you guys to sing along. Journey, oh journey, yeah. Said I never get weary of it. Journey, oh journey, yeah. Said I never get weary of it. I was catching on that thing on by river now, telling them beyond the 7 seas. Journey on. Tomorrow is on in the morning. I wanna go home in the morning. Journey on. Everybody sing along. Journey, oh journey, yeah. Said I never get weary, yeah. Journey, oh journey, yeah. Said I never get weary, yeah. All right, everybody, I want to see those flags up in the air one time. Come on. We're gonna need you to help real quick. Come on. Everyone repeat after me. Let me hear you say whoa. Say yeah. Say whoa. Hey. Oh, hey. And everyday people. One more time, repeat after me. Come on, let me hear you say whoa. Say yeah. Say whoa. Hey. Oh, hey. Switch. Like a jigsaw, with the pieces out of place, come on over. Put a smile upon my face, candy for my bed bed, painted wall. You would know just what to do, come on over. Things, come on over. You can take them all the way. Let me hold my bed, take it warm. You would know just what to the sun goes down, me and my baby got a smoking session. And then I'll take her on a night out of town. We'll have a good time tonight. Whoa, baby. But I was lonely till I met you, baby. But I was just a man that never fall in love. What I really wanted was to be loved by someone. And now that you're weak, I can go away. Oh, yeah. My baby got a smoking, we got a smoking session. On the night out of town, we'll have a good time tonight. Whoa, baby, understand me, I need you right now. I'm going through some hard times. Oh, I may be some kind of love you're giving me. No one else can make me oh, yeah. My baby got a smoking. We got a smoking. And then on a night out of town, we'll have a good time tonight. When the sun goes down, when the sun, my baby got a smoking cigarette. And then I'll take her on a night out of town. We'll have a good time tonight. Why don't you be my naughty girl? Why don't you be my naughty girl? Why don't you be my naughty girl? That morning time, yeah, evening time, when the sun goes down, yeah, the moon is bright. First time I saw your face, I knew it was true love. Although you're a million miles away, whoa, 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 whoa. Come take my hand, my love. I'll take you to this promised land. I'll land where the milk and honey flow. Yeah. Why don't you be my naughty girl? Why don't you be my naughty girl? Why don't you be my naughty girl? In that morning time, in the evening time, yeah, when the sun don't shine, yeah, the morning's gonna bright. Now take my hand, my love, I take you to the promised love, a land where the milk in the honey flow. Throw away a diamond in pearl, put a ticket to one now to the world. Your word of love and I'm burning. Why don't you be my naughty girl? Why don't you be my naughty girl? Why don't you be my naughty girl? Why don't you be my naughty girl?
Well, make some noise one time, ladies and gentlemen. Fall till the wheels fall off. We're gonna have a little break right now. Yeah, we're gonna give this time. All right, bye. So kua. So kua from the mole lava. Ei me ka o le barrier gates ngai me ngai. So kua the path from the mole. So kua. So aku from the mole. Ai nge ola vea sesi ke le le fai nga from the mole. Just move back. Yeah, on terminate to United Lavanoa. Yeah, la fionga ile paritele. Yeah, sana saunoanga. Yeah, one year fiafi maritato from Moimoi.
I'll tell you about Dr. Toa. God is good. Leo lava ele la ngonga mele Toa. God is good. And all the time. That's right. Toa Samoa Fan.
o lo ingoa o pele pali ia o le taitai nei o tato Rugby League Samoa New South Wales Rugby League Samoa e mori atu le nganga whaftai tau paia mamalu e atu paia whale atua la leo es whamataranga wa matango fiene yaso. Is everybody happy today? Oh yes, I can tell you've broken all the barriers, yes. Anyway, just a little story or a little archive or a little information from our Rugby League Samoa New South Wales chapter perspective. We have only been in office since 2022. I am sanctioned from Samoa from Bonifacio. But the beginning of this chapter was Gary Fafua back in 2010, Malesisunga Yaleo Pepe Nigel Vangana. So I acknowledge all these guys. From that time, Sau ile sunga ya lino la fai, sa plestene ai. E o mai la taimi nei, e lewa mai ile tuore ofisa ya tiau, e tawa veheina tato Rugby League Samoa. So basically, we are a chapter that's aligning with Samoa le Toa, ya Samoa le Fetu. So if you really want to get into those pathways, I encourage you to register with our programs, which is only an 8-week program towards the end of the year from September, October, November. So just to give you a little bit of evidence, we have our young under 16 boys. Can I call everybody to come up? And these guys, ola vaenga lea, ola whaia tato sivatau, ia langa le malo lo tato toa mātutua, a waa fo lea susa. Mea la lea, o te whailoa atu foi, lo tato whatasi nei, ma le tato ofisa mai Samoa, le sunga le whailau tusi, ia Bishop lea wanai, le ngata i lea i o Quentin, o Meta, ia ma le sunga ia la ulu, o si tato ofisa lea mai Samoa, ia lea ua mai e tausapai le tato Fendei. Ai moli atu le nganga whaftai Samoa, ia, whai le mulo sa, whai le mulo wala, ia anga leile atua ma whamanuia le atua ia te o tau. Ia, boys.
Ia, kamna tuatu ia o tato tama, tato au, ia, we'll be leaving in 5 minutes time. Our team will be leaving in 5 minutes. So please get on the signatures and everything else. We're leaving in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, we out.
Samoa, ia, o le evidence leo mato ngā luenga lo whai, talu mato ia le ofisa for 4 years. I hope to see your next children in the next 10 years. Whaftai. Okay. Over to you, Dr. Tua.
Ja, te suva tasi mai o tātou ao. Ja, sau noanga mātungo whia zunga Pristine. Ja, ka pe fo I te tātou Toa Samoa Junior. Ja, New South Wales Rugby League Samoa. Ja, te wanga solo tātou whawhianga right about now, calling back to our band to come and play a few more songs before we have the legendary, the one and the only up on the field right now. Ladies and gentlemen, back to the wheels. To the wheels. Fall it off. The drummer. Where's the drummer?
Just 1 2 1 2. Hey, hey. All right, we're gonna go a couple of songs for you guys. We see a couple of Tongan flags here, so we're gonna do a Tongan number for you guys. I promise it's not Versace on the floor, hey. All right. I was wondering the cookies in your What is on your mind? I'm just waiting for you. Tell me, baby. So I know I'm on your mind. The microphone, the kuipo, they will more one more time. See you cool of so very much that I meant when you're up around me, the way you make me feel, the way your love is real. Oh no, the night I me, might I touch my bed, so I know that I got you, baby. Oh, and I got love. Your love is in the day that I found you. And I took you out there over. I'll love you over and over. Over. I'll go for my Tongan people. But this brings us to our last song. Just want to say thank you for having us. Thank you all for coming down. This last song. If you're a proud 685er, make some noise! Where's all my Samoan people that make some noise? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together one time. Wait now!
That's right. Inayo mana onga tafia faata lofa ya oeleo so sefina olema antasiolola e anaya isa umana te aumaya luanga e tu mama ile fia mai ia umata Samoa Fan na yo umasa
gentlemen, give it up for Till the Wheels Fall Off. And of course, my boy Wayno coming up back shortly, but right about now, moving along, shooting along, ladies and gentlemen, the rest of our program. We got a big program ahead of us, but I think our boys need to go back to our bars now. Need to go through recoveries right now, but get our things ready. Our next performer, ladies and gentlemen, has been around doing a whole lot of things, making a whole lot of noises. His angelic voice makes you want to do things that you don't want to do. He's getting old. He's getting really old, but he's still got the gift because he's a God-given gift. But right about now, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, please make some noise for Richard Parker! All right. Once again, safety. Yeah, safety. Richard Parker's not coming out because safety. He's worried about everybody's safety. So please, our team is about to leave. They need to be somewhere else. We got some big performances coming up shortly, ladies and gentlemen, so stick around. All right, one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the one and only Richard Parker! Yes, sir!
Yeah! Let me hear my Polynesian queens! Let me hear ya! Yeah! Oh, that's right! Let me hear my Samoan brothers and sisters! Let me hear you say, hey! Happy, let's go!
One day you will be my wife. Your love will always be mine until the end of time. My Polynesian girl, you are the one you sent from heaven above. There's no one else in my heart. My Polynesian love.
All right, Richard, let me hear you sing.
Oh, baby, sing along, only our morning, only your line of me, relate to your Solomon.
Here we go! Press up, Mike. You hear me singing? Hey! Come on! All right, let's go! Yeah, that's right. Polynesian queen.
Your love will always be mine.
That's right, yeah.
Until the end.
Yes, I got best person by your life, yeah. Sing it.
My Polynesian, you are the one. You sent from heaven above. There's no one else in my heart. My Polynesian love. Song, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, yeah.
beautiful Polynesian queen, yeah, you shine. Trying to keep you by my side and keep you smiling. Trying to keep you up late nights, creeping the mile. I love the way you swing my way. Believe you style of breaking you so up for quality time. Can you get that? Sipping on a peachy couloir. Is you with that? I'll be used to see in your eye. When you think about me, you think I'm meant for your life. And I can be there for you. I love passionately, I adore you. Try to keep you by my side and stay loyal. Don't worry about what anyone say. Just you and I, Paula, if you meet the time of day. You wanna ride down, fuck out front. Yo, what you waiting for? Can't go with those so young, son of time. Your love is die fun, your love is die fun. Come on! Hey! This is the best person right here. One day you will be mine. Your love will always be mine. Polynesian queen. Until the end of time. You are the one. Been sent from heaven above. There's no one else in my heart. My Polynesian love. All right, Tanya. Yeah, once again. Introducing Mr. Richard Parker here, live for your entertainment tonight. I'm Tony on the side. I want to hear everybody say, hey, oh. Yeah. All right. Tala for Sydney. Yeah, yeah. Oi, Toa. Goikasi. Oi, Toa. Yeah, that's it. Well, it's a pleasure to be here with you guys. Well, just enjoy the music. Let's go. Let's have some palusami. Hey, anybody hungry? That's right.
Everybody's hungry.
I love it. You love it.
I love it.
Hey.
It's your boy.
Only to total luau. Baile pepe say nei mai mau. Afi free my lol tam. Baile lau lu nei ma tala tala. Le lau fa ye fa pitoi to to. Baile ma sai pa pe support. Le my lol tam to fa. If you know this song, let's pass it melaya. Tafia ai. Isa palusami. Se tafia ai. Isa palusami, talelava, aile ay papalangi, na ole mawai. Pesa, Maya. Sapia ay, isa palusami, se sapia ay, isa palusami. What I feel, if I tali. Se palusami, se bau my lelang. Here we go. Lord, my total my oil lelang. For your oil do das. Oh, so you to on a day by time. Limau kuka ese apapala. Kau kina ay ola umanga palusami manga ya lelolo. Palusami manga ya lelolo. Isili fa peku ile mekto. Luau lupele wau kipi. Bule lava o ile sikaili. Luau mamo e filebu. O posel siziu ye ike e wapelu. Ele ayo se masa lo sal. Le palusami lava inga ile kal. Villa Milo la kama se fa ala ikichi se na yo mama. So Safia ai. Isa palusami se Safia ai. Isa palusami. Talelava ai ai papalani. Na ole mawai Latino mai. Safia ai. Isa palusami se Safia ai. Isa palusami. Oh, what I feel if I tali. Se palusami se my lelang. Oh, mas total my oil lang. For yellow swaffer oil there to a morning. For all there to on a day by time. The mau kuka ese apapala. Kau kinga ai ola umbanga palusami manga ya lololo palusami manga ya lololo esilifa afe aku ile
Safia ai ise palusami Safia ai ise palusami Talela vai ai papalami na ole mawai
Faz vai
Safia ai ise palusami Safia ai ise palusami What a feel if a tiny Se palusami se ba umalelani
Yeah.
Sexy woman, come and sit by my side. Back up, me, I gonna love you one time. Is this love for real, baby? Come on and let it shine. Give it to me hot, it's going inside. One day I will marry you and make you my wife. I will love and cherish you for the rest of my life. Love you forever to the end of time. Say, love, baby. yeah. Yeah, yeah, the sun in the sky, yeah. Yeah, sing along. Sun in the sky, yeah. Paula, yeah, yeah. All right. Alright, one time, let me hear me one time. If I've been alone for more, till yeah, yeah.
You know what it is?
Well, hey, someone, let's talk about the bit and little sweet and make the people they get nicer. Stand up higher than I and listen to someone. See, look, look.
My little lady, one hour. To see love, I love more and more. I want to know if you love me so. My little lady won't let you go. Silly love, I only pain on the passage.
Right, Ricky, let me hear some.
La ukele safai la umiti Wataiba eva hele afiati Roma no ni wasala Yo se kuwa matala Mate iyo umafau faura Lona lele wapili kiona Wafanya tawana fa amatala Baby leo luna mala mala.
How do you say? Best person my life, yeah. Here we sing. Sing along.
To see love or no far more. I want to know if you love me so. My little lady won't let you go. The silly love or a penny on the passage. Allow for my time. Ciao, Gino Mario, now love. Yeah, so more than me, tell me all ladies and gentlemen.
To my island ladies, free me, baby, we don't know what to do. I pace myself forever to guide you. There's nothing to hide, just to be by your side. So tell me, girl, you want it, and I'm giving it to your mind. I said me want, me thank, cause me want it to be mine. So back up, everything will be just fine. I know I make you feel up in all the right places. Everything about you put a smile on the face, girl.
To see love, I
say all the other girls that look at where you're disgrace.
I want to know if you love
to my island lady, pretty, alright.
My island lady won't let you go.
Alright, let's press it by you. Hey.
To see love,
I say everything about you put a smile on the face, girl. Hey. All the other girls that look at disgrace. Alright, I say to my island lady, pretty, alright.
Yeah, so more than
yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's right. Over
everybody's having a good time tonight. We got a couple of more songs for your entertainment. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. We're gonna slow down for the oldies. This is a song for the oldies. Here we go. I love you 4 times.
Everybody put your flags up. Raise up your flags. Here we go.
Jag ser tanga malu. I don't know what we live for us is true. Beyo se pepe afata ele tår för matu. Where tongue you let more on
The principal.
Funny, see a time now, you'll la feeling it like Beyo Sematangi, oh, I'm far to Ilangi. What's popping on in me? Oh, like I've been more. Best of my life.
For
Well done, Sydney. Love you, Sydney. Before we finish, before we perform this last song, I'd like to thank everyone for being here. And I'd like to thank the boys for getting us here. Thank you for supporting our team. Go the Manu! Go the Toa! Go all the time on! Seki ga go! Here we go! Mr. Richard Parker, live and direct from Samoa. He gonna give you some island style, some cool rhythm and island reggae for you. Alright. Alright, people, let me hear it. It's all right, yeah. I just don't know what to do when it comes to you, baby. My mind goes crazy and my heart does too, babe. But girl, you know it's true. All I really wanted was you. Tell me one more thing. Oh, tell me why. Oh, yes, press my ear, want to hear me sing along. Hey, you left me behind and broke this heart of mine. I don't know what to do when it comes to you, babe. Yeah, come on, everybody, sing along. Let me sing. Oh, it's so hard since we've been apart. Keep on holding on. I know it's for real. I wish time stays still. And now I feel like a fool that's in love with you. My heart is aching and it's broken too, babe. But girl, I'm missing you. All I really wanted was you. Tell me one more thing. Oh, tell me why. Oh, why? Tell me why. Tell me why. Let me hear you singing. You left me behind and broke this heart of mine. I don't know what to do when it comes to you, babe. I really never understand hardships in relationships like chips. I used to be oblivious, yeah, pessimistic to the fact of how far I slipped. But always knew that love is blind, yeah, that you and me could never be entwined. No, now I'm sitting here reminiscing about the times that we used to have. You left me behind and broke this heart of mine. Come on, everybody, sing along. Don't know what to do when it comes to you, babe. Come on, sing along. Hey. Since we've been apart, keep on holding on.
Everybody give it up one more time for Richard Parker. All right. If you're having a good time so far, give me a yeah. Give me a yeah. Give me a yeah. Mwah. All right, moving along. Just a reminder, we have a few parades that's been organized by everybody, so we gotta do one at a time. So we need to turn up wherever the parade's gonna be. We turn up. But on Sunday, I need everybody to turn up in blue. All right. We're gonna meet up over at the stadium. Outside of the stadium. Just keep an eye out for all the more details coming out. So we're gonna walk from Canberra all the way to the stadium on Sunday. I just want to send a massive shout out to everyone who's watching. Our Tongan Vision is live right now. Everyone from watching all over the world, all the Samoans all around the world, we feel you. We know that you're praying for us, and we love you. But right about now, ladies and gentlemen, introducing our next performer. This son of Samoa's been carrying our flag as well all over the world, making a lot of noise. And babies too. But now he's here tonight to perform for us. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Kenyon Brown.
Looking at us, cause they only wanna drop it over down. My señorita, break off your back, break off your back, break off your back, break off your back. If y'all know the words to this one, help me out right now, come on. Señorita, call me my darling dear. All this distance ain't no good for us, come here. I just want my hands on your body, your mind. But I'm just waiting on for you to show me a sign. Say what? Your body language is telling me something, but I don't know how to react when I see that thing go down low. Ooh, na 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 na. Can you just be my babe? Girl, you know you're my. Everybody right now, one more time if y'all know. Are you down to be? Say what? Down to be. Hold on, we go one, we go two, we go 1, 2, 3. Señorita, come with me. Drop it low for me, right? Come on, we go. Let's go turn it upside down. Everybody looking at us, cause they only wanna drop it low for down. My señorita, one more time. Break off your back, break off your back. Say, say 3, 2, 1. West Sydney, how y'all feeling, ladies and gentlemen? Make some noise. I go by the name of Kenyon Brown. I need to know, where's all my proud 685 Nation that make some noise one time? Hold up. Where's all my proud island girls that make some noise one time? Yes, sir. From the front to the back, I dedicate this song to all the island girls in the house. All my proud Polynesian, Micronesian, Melanesian girls, come on. Seen a lot of them, got tickets, time on you. Pretty brown skin girl, prettiest in the room. Been around the world, but I always seem to come back to. I come back to my roots. Maybe it's in your face, maybe it's in your waist, maybe it's in your long curly hair, baby. Maybe it's just your skin, or maybe it's when you grin. Maybe it's just your smile, but I love your style. Say what? So say what? I can't be with some. Everybody right now, come on with me. 1, 2. Say, show out everywhere. My pretty island girl, precious like Cartier. My pretty island girl, yeah. Even when you fall, shine bright like a star. My light in one more time. My pretty island girl, show out everywhere. My pretty island girl, precious like Cartier. My pretty island girl, yeah. Even when you fall, shine bright like a my light in the dark. Yes, sir. DJ Jeff Tupac, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for my brother DJ Jeff Tupac. Yes, sir. How y'all feeling, everybody at the back? How y'all feeling, everybody at the back? One time. How's everybody here on the left side? Everybody on the left side feeling good? Yes, sir. I'll dance with you in the rain. If you said it would heal your pain, I'll lay with you in the sun. Just cause you're my number one. Cause you're my, I'll do anything for your love, your happiness and trust. Your everything is everything I need to get through. So I thank the Lord, bless me with a different, leading me straight to you. Is the best thing he's ever. Like a hula hula, my life revolves around you. Like a hula hula, I was lost until I found you. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, I'm gonna need your help. Make some noise for my sister, Dina, Paula. Circle when you came, like a hula hula hula, hula hula, hula hula, like a hula hula hula, hula hula, like a hula hula hula. Make some noise for Peanut Butter, ladies and gentlemen.
Western Sydney, let's go. If y'all know this one, I want you to sing with me. Even if you don't know it, let's vibe. Let's go. Give, I'ma give her everything you ask, I deliver. Then your back was building your dreams, hoping that you would love me it seems. Yes, I gave him all that he wants. Thought it was me, guess I was wrong. I just wanted a love that'll last. Is that too much to ask? This boy, am I your dad? Is this a fake crime? Hey, boy, am I your dad? Am I your ATM? Yes, boy, am I your dad? From the front to the back, if y'all know this one, Toa Samoa, let's make some noise. I simply can't understand. Why you killing me? Why you killing me? Say, why you using me? Why you using me? You seduce me with your body, then you take my money. You seduce me with your body, then you take one more time. Why you killing me? Why you killing me? Why you using me? Why you using me? You seduce me with your body, then you take my money. You seduce me with your body, then you take my money. You take, you're a taker. When I ask, you never deliver. Do you know the perfect disguise? Lighting me with love in your eyes. Take my all, gave you my all. Running back, but never to call. Always cold, I'm doing the most. You say you love me, but I feel like you don't. So, ex-boy, am I your dad? Is this a fake romance? Big boy, am I your bed? Am I your ATM? noise for yourselves. Y'all look so good from up here. All right, this next one, what we want to do, Western Sydney, you guys put us on for this one. If you got your lady or your lover or your babies here tonight, this one's for them. Let's go.
I'll gladly take us up by your side. I'll gladly follow you now and even after. I'll gladly.
If y'all know the words to this one.
From the left to the right, from the front to the back. We want to hear everybody in the building tonight sing this with us right now. West Sydney, are y'all ready? Come on.
Can you feel it? Can you feel that fire burning? Can conceal this? All these emotions inside.
Say that.
I want you to know. I wanna grow with you. I want to be all that you will ever need, and I want you to be the first thing that I see. I wanna roll over, see you laying by my side. Feel your touch on my skin while we watch the sun rise inside. Yearning for you, yearning for you. Through thick and thin, I'll be right there, there. Whether we lose or win, I'll be right there, there. We'll go through it all and through.
Ladies and gentlemen, this one's called Lady Love. Sing along.
I'll gladly
Say what?
I'll gladly take us for carries up by the side. I'll gladly follow you down and even after life. I'll gladly say, go,
Say.
I'll gladly take us for carries up by the side. I'll gladly
All right,
follow
Samoa.
you down
Come on.
and even after
Yeah, yeah.
I'll
Can you feel it? Oh, yeah. Can you feel that fire burning? I can't conceal this. Oh, yeah. All these emotions inside. Hey, yeah. 'Cause I want you to know. Oh, no, no. I wanna grow. Yeah, yeah. I wanna be all that you will ever need. And I want you to talk to me now. Say that. When I wake up in the morning, I wanna roll over, see you laying by my. Feel your touch on my skin while we watch the sun rise inside. It's yearning for you, heart's turning for you. Nah, nah. Through thick and thin, I'll be right there, there, there. Whether we lose or win, I'll be right there, there, there. We'll go through it all. Samoa, one more time right now for peanut butter. Come on. Say what? One more time right now from the front to the back. Come on. Say. West Sydney, Samoa, we love y'all so much. I go by the name of Kenny Brown.
Talk about the name of peanut butter. Thank you. Let's go, Samoa.
All right. Give me a Give it up one more time, ladies and gentlemen, for Kenyon Brown and Peanut Butter. All right, moving along. Hope everybody's enjoying tonight. Woo! We got another big one coming up, ladies and gentlemen. You saw him earlier. He's back again, all the way from New Zealand. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my boy, Wado.
Solo, awe si umo Fatima si upapa Kosam Solo yo Manamo aulele awe natayala awe si umo Fatima si upapa Hey Right, hands in the air and clap. I'm gonna go. Let's go. I'm gonna clap. You know. I'm gonna go. Let's go. Let's go. Fussy. So. Hua. So. Golu. So. Hey. That's me. Saula ia. Sino may sayo ufa afia. Yo. O aruena. Fa atampanti. Oso belue mai. Yo. So banga. Take the pensama. Pule la pole choina. Luma ila. Ame pila. Wali kama. Sawalaba. Famole nole. De ahí foi. Se lo patua. Fausina. Famisa. Wali kenge. Sawalaba. Let's go. De ahí foi. Se fa fide. Vai soa. Fasu pomoa. Wali sole. Sawalaba. Fesma banga. De ahí foi. Se foi lele. Falei sana sefe. Falei pancake. Wali sole. Sawalaba. Let me hear you. So, similar in the music. I wanna go. If I'm on the island, I'm gonna go. I wanna go see Alabama. I'm gonna go. Let's wait for you, let me sign. Let's go. That's it. So, Lua. So, Golu. So, hey. Yo. This might. Saudi Lulu and Tamaya. Yo. Antamai, no my best. Marcela Samoa. So, Matai. taua e ona le whanua ona tasi itia le o Samoa o ta solo ia o i tupula nai o te ole le i e fia wha e ropa nau ia he mawale poto siri 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 hawane ia oa ona olo lua ia siri siri lo loto Samoa Totalume 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 Uomua Uomua Louva i sa fe Louva i ta ele He piole ki ona Lona malulu tele Ha e fa amalua E te ailo vai vai Holo mafatia I au e au safai Lo vai Holo vai ki usili E mahalulu They say I see kuini A e tau mawhai E te oli oli Pelua e muti I se whanu se pope Swing, swing, Ua siri lava fino Mea taulunga He ua manana ia tele Ona whalesa Ua whaafua tonu mai maua Sasa e isi sifo Me tonti sila mosa Me kanto ibo Ole to feel it in Samoa ya malama Maleta inga ole sua Le palua mamale suna tonga ya manatua Tupula matanga bawine ya so Okasema hefa ali ali malu Enti elefa Samoa Uena ole nanu Fa mole mole shonte Ifi filo malu Ole to feel it in Samoa ya malama Maleta inga ole sua Le palua mamale suna tonga Manatua, ia manatua. Hautipula matala bawine ya so okasimana. Hefa ali ali malu enti ale faasa. Moa uana ole nanu. Fa mole mole shote ifi filo malu. Now ia he mawale poto sili sili sili. Hawane ia ona olo lua ia sili sili lolo. Hey, hey. Ese rofia pese umi awa manuru, manuru. Thank you again for coming. Thank you to FTA and the whole of Sydney for having me here today. You guys look so amazing. Hoi letoa. Uafa afeta. Watasilava oe, watasilava o, hilo uneifa moimoi. Thank you, Sydney, for having me. God bless. Let's go.
Sydney, give it up one more time for Wayne. All right, all right, all right. Before we move along, we have a very important announcement. These things right here are very expensive. We cannot afford to pay for the broken one, so please, get off it. Thank you very much. And there's a kid that's lost. His name is Kingston. Are you Kingston? His name is Kingston. He's 3 years old. He's wearing a Toa Samoa shirt. Oh no, Matamatonga shirt. He's wearing a Toa shirt. Please. Kids, go back to your parents if you're not with your parents right now. Go back. Don't be cheeky, eh? Right about now, ladies and gentlemen, moving along, keeping that vibe going. Introducing next, ladies and gentlemen, these gentlemen, they've been making a lot of noise all over the world. Once again, representing 685 to the world, we are honored to have them here today with us. So, make some noise for
How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? That's tight. Aye, Sheffield. Got me cruising through them. Backstreets, now I also know athletes, the ones that fall off peace, cause some haters trying to catch me, snatch me, vibe me, they trying to harass me. Still all up in the hood, through the balls, through the 046. The flow's so sick, aye, yeah, still with that postcode. See, double five, nah, with the boys like this. Yeah, they're trying to stop my grind, but the flow's like this. All of the green, as greedy as it seems. I'm just trying to do the most for the family and the team. In the world is so cold, no one's got you better than you, and that's the truth being told. The trust being sold on the day. You're willing and able to catch a case like a felony. And give what they telling me. Only hatred for thy enemy. Only day one's not pretend to be. He's like a my hood over yours. You know we down for the cause. No, we don't knock, yeah, we kick it down. We are war with the law and shutting down stores. It's my hood over yours. You know we down for the cause. No, we don't knock, yeah, we kick it down. We are war with the law and shutting down stores. And all you ever did was motivate us. Now I'm people, old man, I know I'll meet you at the dear Lord, can't forget my name. Peter John, I know you're gone, but I'll never forget. So to this day, I know my family find it hard to accept. Nothing but miseries in the state of regret. I've been alone in these traps, haven't seen what I've seen, or been where I've been. It's just me against the world. Still, I'll be running from the levels. Wild weapon I can sell. Ay, it's just a back from the flats, now it's time to bring him hell. 12. I'll be running from the levels. Wild weapon I can sell. Ay, it's just a back from the flats, now it's time to bring him. Ay, my hood over yours. You know we down for the cause. No, we don't knock, yeah, we kick it down. And we are war with the law and shutting down stores. My hood over yours. You know we down for the cause. No, we don't knock, yeah, we kick it down. We are war with the law, shutting down stores. All around my hood, we all crazy. Love me or hate me, your bitch wanna date me and taste me. They got the beat still chasing me. They wanna cuff me, find me aside and erase me. If I the bitch, you can't trace me. So I'll be thinking about it lately. Hey, it's either love me or hate me like 50. I know your bitch like you only ever catch me running from the law. Pick up, hey, do you hear me? Starting like you can't feel the mouth like a color all day. Just pardon me, like a gun. Hey, my hood over yours. You know we down for the cause. No, we don't knock, yeah, we kick it down. We are war with the law and shutting down stores. My hood over yours. You know we down for the cause. No, we don't knock, yeah, we kick it down. We are war with the law, shutting down stores. My hood. S.A. Samoa, S.A. That's it. Make some noise. Hey, we got one more for you guys. Hey, hold on. When I say 6'8", you say 5. 6'8". When I say 6'8", you say 5. 6'8". Let's say, run that track, DJ. Let us go and never gonna stop, baby. This one ain't stopping. Kayla gonna take it far. What? I still think free my brothers in the cage. Free your mouth. Running game. This one money from a cop car. They think they got that heavy metal. I got my foot on every pedal, but I sell her like it's a kettle. Cause I'm trying to make it out, no doubt. All these haters trying to beat for the clout. They're living in the past cause I'm living life now. Living in the grass like I made a charge for stars wanna put a player, no doubt. But it's still FTP trying to mess with me. This hey, stop it. Kayla gonna yeah, real far. Free my brothers in the cage. Free them up. Hey, free up with my brothers soon home, let them out. Middle finger to the Lord, and on my arm scared down. I ain't here, no my high, yeah, I'll take it cause I'm with it. I don't be jumping fences if your heart's not in it. I ain't gonna stop till my whole team living. I ain't coming from the gunners and the train, put my own mates through the pain. My father in the chains, it ain't too late to change. Middle finger to the face, yeah. Yeah, they wanna stop me and drop me, they wanna assist. Hey, but them niggas wasn't there when we was sleeping on the floor. Hey, the people wasn't there when it was put up in the door. Bills up to the roof and all the walls. Hey, and if they wanna talk a block, hey, I still can make yo. I love on turn flat. I've been through many hard times like that. I said I've been through many hard times like that. Run this, hey, stop it. Kayla gonna, hey, real far. Free my brothers in the cage. Free them up. The city bar. This ain't the only thing on rap. This is me and the team. That's where all the magic happens. See us get by the text, but you know what happens. Could take hours, minutes, he knows. Now when he said different day, but it's the same. Same. The bitch, that's what my mama always told me. Said you get what you get. So I'ma get mine and leave you my upset. See the baby too sauce, this story. See me too. I don't give a and be too sauce. We're switching up, cause it's just up from the still punching in my city, my we get busy. I got the whole hood up on the back, up in the fast lane. Cause I done seen it all, I ain't coming from nothing, we stood it tall. Running through traps, kick it down, I put that through the wall. I had it on love, but we taking all. Say it is what it is, Mo, so we ready for war. This, hey, stop it. Kayla gonna, hey, real far. Free my brothers in the cage. Free them up. They pumping trash, running crazy. Hey, this one. Hey, stop it. Kayla gonna, what? Real far. Free my brothers in the cage. Free them up. They pumping trash. Hey, thanks for having us. We love you guys. 685 all day. 13 plus this weekend, lad. 13 plus. Yes, sir.
Sydney, give it up for Virgin! Sorry, it's all singa mea, kungu singa mea, hokam singa mea te alere. Bo kei na sa ora kamera. Ese vai lang flavor if we do St. Evan. Yeah, we are on different levels right now. Introducing our next group, ladies and gentlemen. They don't need no introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for 1-4.
But I did dirt on Luxon. Chased out of Zimbabwe, but I ain't gon' talk on the subject. At parks we charge it, march like Spartans. You can call us 300. Coppers are out in the back, sustain your house if you can't it rain. I grew up seeing them red bandanas, I grew up seeing them green bandanas. It's always been worn in Sydney's west, but the whole city knows which real one's red. If I'm talking real, then it starts from Woodstock down the Chestnut Crescent. And when blood got spilled, we were out there on Luxford Road showing absolute present. Back in 2015, we were tearing that road up. KDM bought finished when you hear that motor. Outside, let it off, better rub on the block, no donor. Big night P&Rs and broad-day shambles, all getting done profoundly. Street lights getting kicked out, plays getting flicked out. That's how you know you're a man. 15
me first time putting hands on the sticks, yeah, up and I'll try to my grip. That was in class trying to get the guys up, but I was on the street trying to hit me a lead. From Wakanda to Deacon Way, feeding the feast like an all you can eat buffet. I was on the block all night, or I died going hard in the pain like I'm now cause I really did work on Luxford. Took juice to pegs on Luxford. Not once have I ever not back my blood. Got an FBO on Luxford Road, but I still like the clip of Macadon. If you ain't on the street, don't hang. Act the wrong and you can get back. With the wrong crowd and get into the tag.
I wasn't born on Luxford, but I did dirt on Luxford.
Chase their ops in public,
but I ain't on top of the subject. At Bucks we charge it, much like Spartans.
You can call us 300.
Coppers are out in the bastards, stay in your house. They can't outrun. I'm from 2-7, we use weapons, don't pick and choose. 38s of them 22s, them box shots, lucky way to shoot. Heard the ops been trying to box stuff, hold these 762s. I ain't done guys on the block, it's the early rounds that we're trying to do. Win or lose, these fucking moves when we do the way. Make sure, don't forget your cane. To the officer and in the game, fans automatic, don't do it. Ending up, but ain't done the race, and then press me much like you know it's playing. Ain't gon' raise up on love, popping off like we Tory Lane. They know where I'm at, Luxford, this ain't the Cold War, but we keep marching. Try come to the street, we got sickles and hammers like Soviet Russians. With some soldiers sorting them out like equations, we solving that problem. Somebody call doctors, medical attention, if they try marching on Luxford. Nah, that's our trenches, war zone full of holes and stitches in your torso. If one of us get hit, then we all go, sawing off 12 gauges, semi-autos. Lad, don't step out of line when these sergeants charging through. I'm from Mounties,
sir, yes sir.
Give me a born on Luxford, but I did dirt on Luxford.
Chase their ops in public,
but I ain't gon' talk on the subject. At Pucks we charge, march like Spartans.
You call us 300.
Poppers are out in the bastards, stay in your house and we can't outrun them.
Samoa, how we feeling? Yeah, baby. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna need all my brothers to come on stage right now. All my brothers to come on stage.
Alright, let's get them out here.
We're about to shut down. Let's go. Where's 046? I heard they just jumped off. Where we at? Let's go.
Alright, bring them out, bring them out.
Bring them out. I'm gonna need to hear you.
Sydney, make some noise.
What we say? Fuck up down your church.
What?
What's the difference?
What folks who acting, who's too urgent? If I ain't there in the field cards, then I guarantee I'm working. But who's killing the trap? Flipping packs, this and that. How can they run loud without tax? And if we're talking score, that's that facts. Like who got robbed that cash? Try coming down in the trains, like you get sent home on them tracks. Jump down gang cars and we smoking. How can I call them off? How can I call them off? They run like to leave their friends for them, more like a bunch of dogs. No way I could be like them, I got my bros like Drake and Josh. And all this talk about smoke, how come none of my men be shot? Not one of my men be got.
Got no hesitation, I'd rather die for my block. This critics claim that we're faking it, but I live a day in my socks. I was on the streets since 15, trying to force the shit when we off. Raging every day on them, like who really wants to get got? Can affiliate with a friend of a op. That bridge gets burnt, one of the youngest took that trip and found out lost it. He was out for shots and on that night that village respect was earned. Now doing the stress for the gang, can't wait for the day he makes return. Thinking chef is a 1-4 rider, still trying to make a dick like Tiger. Like who's that up on the block, who's that fuck for like Swiper. With them LA boys like Piper, got a venomous part like Viper. See me leading the pack like captain, in the front of the field like a striker. Rugby shit that's too much, like who wants them, like who wants what we see me. They talk on gas, but them boys they ain't got none. They act like they in churches, but them boys they got no diggers. Look what they're different, my district has too much. Look who wants it, like who wants what we see these feelings. They talk on gas, but them boys they ain't got no triggers. They act like they in churches. Run through houses, keep their doors and crack the score. They just pop us, they do cameras, that's where these actors go. They don't front like they feel like they. But I just don't mind, they rewind, they push it. We want them and they talk too much, we silence them. Fire them and process, play with tech, it's like and minus them. Right on them, they say this shit disgusting, but I say love it. Also we Russian time and pressing us get by a public. Marching like Russians, pocket, no bluffing. Started for nothing, run when they see you coming up. Oh, see I still remember that they really got that whack. They took out 15 girls to call and all of us got knocked back. Yeah, back in the days we shakes and shit, but now we all got that shot. in the streets, as soon as I got set free. Now my young kids just on the roads, they running the road like Assassin's Creed. They screw JM, they do something, your boys are a different breed. Then comes out my name like 1%, of course I'm back my G's. That's why I don't listen. We took this drill thing serious, now look, some of the ops got missing. Like, why do you think our faces are hitting the gangs on strict condition? We come through militant, whole crew diligent, ready to back our district. They hate our rude image, they say my crew's British. We put up like who's with it, like that clip, like clue, finish. Been gone for 2 minutes. Wait, let's stop that car, but I hit that gas when I let that slap.
Samoa, we love you.
Samoa, we love you.
Hey, 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 hey. Ya, malo ah. Dei ninguém vango ma ko ki fa maluru ku ai. Singanga foi wole pa. Wole kau ka mali i lau fa fonga e meisia ka mama ki nga ma ku kua. Ia o lango le o ko inga generator o kemingi. Makua fast forward we pass forward, uma wa, prapa pumba, bang, gun, jumping, shit. Well, our people, the talent that we have is unmatched. So, awalangi ke wa fa inga so kofinga ngalo. Ya paua me wo wai kama fa inga alo makako kama fa ngau. Awalangi fiafi de fa fi inga lo ko pa ia mo lo ko madu. What you say? Pa boo. Hey. Yeah. Before we finish up about our day, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to cross back to a DJ. Ning pese fa ai fa ma luero fingalo wa mongingoa. Mola ni mga voles kangaka. But we have another lost child. Yeah, it's not funny. The child's name is Alex. He's how old? He's about 5, 6, 7. He's wearing a Toa Samoa shirt, black pants, white shoes. Yeah, his name is Alex. If you're the parents of Alex, don't be shy. Come claim your child. Hey! Superb! Play something for the people. Get me out there, little man, by the middle, they say, whatever that's.
Wind up on my body, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wine your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy. Girl, you a party animal. To own your wine, you drive me crazy. Girl, you a party animal. You wine so good, you just so good. Girl, me love how you party. She take 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, she come back for more. She take off the shoes and pound the dance floor. Then she start to go out like a sword. Then she approach me just like a cure. Me know that she like me tonight, me a score. She sexy, she beautiful and she pure. Girl, I you me a door, so wind up on my body, girl. Wind us like a carnival. Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wine your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. To own your wine, you drive me crazy. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy.
Watch a girl, let move your body, make the bumper jump. Killer me, no killer me, the top and top. Your body, let them sit down, come again. You whine the bumper, fire burn. Se pone de espalda y pull up. DJ don't turn the music, pull up. Bailando se me pega duro. Quiere que yo le rompa el culo. A la diga de you know that. Si te me pegas son maldad, es maldad. Alita babelita, gal. Si te me aquí, you know that. Hey, call them, ting-a-ling-a-ling. Your style, my style, I am born rhythm. Hey, call them, ting-a-ling-a-ling. Your style, my style, I am born rhythm. Hey, ting-a-ling-a, well, ting-a-ling-a-ling, girl, ting-a-ling-a. Your style, my style, girl, ting-a-ling-a, ting-a-ling-a-ling. Your style, my style, I am.
Yeah, you say, I can let it go.
All right, thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, later appele le tuo fa poi banga pe solo fai o polo tato fiafi fenga ta fale singa ta pa io man mamalo so tato tunu io no tupu mone pa io ainga mata pa au mamalo fa falo polunga e mai se le lava lo sa moi no tulanga fa lupeina mo de atu le nganga fa taitele le su mai martala mai au wa mata ngo fiema ma walunga ne fiafi ia ono lo to titi fai tama ma lo to langolong sua a wale tato Toa Samoa le mato talo fa manuia le tua a wala la to ia le to fo ia ti mota malawa e mai se ainga ia fa tasi le tua la wala a wia fa mo mole fa mana tua tu le tato fa Moimoi la sa fa mo mole ye o lo fetawi tami malotu ia o mo lotu ia fa to atu i lo talonga fa mo fa mo le tua ia fa mo le tua inisi me fa mo lava ia langolango sua tato sponsors our major sponsor Universal Barbershop and Rich Services Royal Blends and of course 68 Face Big Aloha some Move Cornerstone Repeller The Run Hotspot That Spot, Hit the Spot, Tealish, Tax something, Tax Today, Kathy's Kitchen, Tooties Rudy, Fruity's Tootie. That's the man. And everybody, thank you so much. Now we know that we can do our own thing. You know, we come and support each other, show love and support by right by now. Crossing back to DJ Superb for Sound Sami. This is your boy Dr. Tour signing off. Peace. Hey! Moriato Vaftaita Securities. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. We greatly appreciate the offer, the effort that you put in today. I love you guys very soon. To our sound engineers, thank you guys. To our performers, thank you. TTWF, LWWF, thank you. Versace on the floor, thank you. Here we go. Tape file muy fale from the mole, vai se si dei do. A congai de Sawarunga pa, ile stonai. Seki ai pelagi awala sa. See you all at Sawarunga on Saturday. Tell her for your love, but to tell you love Bye for Ilai Makaosi me. Malo Peter to Tongue and Vision. Malo. Thank you. And thank you everybody who joined us online. We love you guys. Go the Toa. Shout out to FDA, Pacific Cast, and of course, Rugby League Samoa, New South Wales. Thank you for the support. We love you all. Cornerstone, we are the Cornerstone.
Thought I was just a man who never find love.
True.
All I really wanted was to be loved by someone. Now that
the sun goes down. Me and my baby had a smoking sunshine. Here's your boy DJ Suburban, of course, DJ Chef 2.0 for serving our community today. We thank you guys. Thank you, everybody. To all our food vendors, thank you guys. Manuia la Chapway in Samoa. Act Services, Securities, thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Harry and the boys, thank you. Love you guys. Morning. Did it?